Bullish Aion cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 12 cents and 27 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept Aion could reach 12 cents by 2025. Bearish Aion market cost expectation for 2022 is 2 cents. Aion presentation. Aion is a blockchain-based third-age staggered network. The task's goal is to track down answers for issues with other blockchain ventures: interoperability, adaptability, and obscurity. Each application region accepts its own foundation. In 2020, the cash at last made a forward leap as its worth begun to increment. The money has since been getting along nicely. The coin endured the ups and downs in spite of the unpredictability of the digital currency market. We should explore more to decide why this is the situation. How did the digital currency develop? At last, in what bearing is Aion cost forecast heading? What is Aion? The Nuco firm, laid out in the spring of 2016, created Aion. Vitalik Buterin, a notable ethereum engineer, is the venture's main counselor. President of Nuco Matthew Tocht, who serves on the top managerial staff of the undertaking Ethereum Collusion, is responsible for Aion. Jin Tu, CTO of Nuco, has more than 15 years of aptitude in corporate designing and 4 years of involvement with the blockchain area. Attempting to help and direction the Aion project is new speculative chemistry to get their commitment inside their organization. Aion involves the improvement of a sort of web for computerized stages. It includes more than just switching or trading digital currencies over completely to pay for administration. The arrangement of data, the trade of information, cooperative drives, and shared applications are the engineers' substantially more significant targets. The utilization of advanced innovations will be incredibly extended by such a foundation, which will likewise eliminate go-betweens and work on working. The 3 key advantages that such a framework offers are featured by the Aion designers. 1. Merging Ethereum and this innovation viable computerized projects in a solitary organization. 2. Improved framework execution, quick inter-exchanges, and fast information move. 3. Users will actually want to construct extra blockchains and applications inside the Aion network that are now integrated into the general engineering. The accompanying goals were determined by the engineers to give this usefulness. The improvement of framework and advances to expand the organization and incorporate both got done and impending drives into it. Creation of a stage in view of shrewd Ethereum contracts for the trading of information and cash. Establishment of an establishment for plan in the Aion framework that is viable with various conventions and calculations. Introduction of an original strategy for acquiring understanding in light of knowledge proof. The Aion network involves making joins between numerous stages and utilizing empowering their operation token. In these conditions, a financial framework is created to help the organization's viability and activity. Aion Specialized Investigation. Aion's Specialized Investigation check shows current rankings for different periods. This isn't an idea to buy, sell, or trade anything. It is neither exhortation nor a commitment of accomplishment. Moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns are 3 normal specialized pointers that are estimated continuously relying upon the exhibition of Aion. The high-level Aion cost outline shows cost development in different styles, including candles, bars, lines, and a couple of something else. Furthermore, you might overlay other specialized pointers like the moving normal, Bollinger groups, and moving normal intermingling disparity for Aion. You might decide to contrast Aion and some other digital money fitting your personal preference and look at these information throughout different time spans. Aion current cost. Aion is as of now worth 2 cents USD. Aion has moved 2.73% as of now with an exchanging volume of $595,260. Aion is as of now positioned 619 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $13,954,301 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Aion to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Aion Value Expectation 2022. Aion, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Aion cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 4 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 3 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Aion is supposed to have a base worth of 3 cents. Aion Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Aion cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Aion will before long outperform 6 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Aion's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Aion will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 5 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 6 cents. And value expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 9 cents and might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Aion is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 8 cents and a low of 8 cents in 2024. Aion value expectation 2025. In the event that Aion effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the Aion coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Aion will be green in 2025. The Aion is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 12 cents, with a base cost of 11 cents and a typical cost of 11 cents. Aion value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Aion cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 14 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 13 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Aion has a most extreme value worth of 15 cents. Aion value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 17 cents. In the event that Aion figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 17 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Aion needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 16 cents. Aion value expectation 2028. While Aion is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 19 cents and a yearly cost close above 20 cents in 2028. Aion value forecast 2029. By 2029, Aion will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 22 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 23 cents. Averaging out at 22 cents. Aion value expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Aion cost in 2030 is projected to be 27 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 26 cents. And the general development possibilities of the Aion token are great. With the advancement of framework and organization, the coin is bound to go up. The previous information upholds the organization's development claims. In spite of the negative market drifts, the Aion coin kept up with its presence as well as given great revisitations of financial backers. What is the Aion cost today? Today, Aion is exchanging at 2 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $13,954,301. Is Aion a wise speculation? Aion ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is insightful to say that Aion is a decent decision of speculation. How high might Aion at any point go? The typical cost of